Tuesday, and my best friend has a doctor's appointment and asked me to go with her, so I'm gonna go with her, and then we're gonna have a little girls' day.
Toward Wrexham Whidden Expressway.
Oh, it says they're open. Coconut. And they have cupcakes. Okay, I just got home and I'm waiting for my husband because we're gonna go to the discount grocery store because they're closing on Sunday for good. So we're gonna see what they have left and maybe we can find some good deals. We got a lot of good things. I gave the dogs their cupcakes. Now I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna repot my plants, my tomatoes, my basil, all that good stuff. Follow me. Let's go. So done potting plants, done repotting plants. I don't know if I did it right. I hope they grow. My hands are filthy. So with that, I think that ends my Tuesday. See you next time. Thanks for watching.